Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update iOS build settings in Xcode for App Store, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Xcode on your Mac. Select your project from the Welcome window or navigate to it via the File menu. In the Project Navigator, click on the project file at the top of the hierarchy. Select your app target in the left sidebar. Navigate to the General tab. Ensure your version number and build number are up to date. Look for the Deployment Info section. Set the deployment target to the lowest iOS version you wish to support. Switch to the Signing and Capabilities tab. Select your team from the Team dropdown if it's not already set. Make sure the Automatically Manage Signing box is checked. Next, click on the Build Settings tab. Search for Architectures in the search bar. Set architectures to standard architectures. In the same tab, look for Build Active Architecture Only. Set it to No for release configurations. Now, search for Swift Language Version. Make sure it's set to the latest version compatible with your code. Next, click on the Info tab. Ensure that your app's info.plist file has all the necessary entries. Scroll to the Custom iOS Target Properties. Add any required usage descriptions if your app accesses user data. Return to the General tab. Double-check your app icon and launch screen settings for accuracy. Next, go to the Product menu at the top. Select Archive to prepare your app for submission. Wait for the archiving process to complete. After the archive is created, a new window will appear. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.